Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix slow startup of VLC Media Player. To get started, simply search for VLC Media Player. Right click over it and click on Open File Location. Now again right click over the VLC Media Player shortcut and click on Open File Location. Now copy the folder path from here. Close this window. Now search for Windows Security and open it. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection. Then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Then scroll down, you will get Exclusions. Click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Now click here and then select Folder. Paste the copied folder path here. Click on Select Folder and that's it. Additionally, you can also do this. Open VLC Media Player app, then go to Tools, then go to Preferences. In the bottom left corner, click on All under Show Settings. Then scroll down and click on Subtitles/OSD. Now in the right hand side, you will get this option Auto Detect Subtitle Files. If this is turned on, simply uncheck it and save the change and see if this creates any impact or not. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.